Okay, we're going to reset the full service light and warning on a GL450. This is a 2009. Make sure your driver's door is closed. Key, ignition, one turn, SRS light comes on only. Press this button in the middle, the R button, 3 times. UB 12.2 shows up. Now we're going to hit the menu button. Oh crap, I hit the wrong button. Sorry, the down button. Now it says service menu, service data. I'm going to go down to confirmation with the minus or plus button on the right hand side. The page to confirm, full service, cancel single, with the, again, the minus button. Cancel single items, but you can do full service if you want to, if you've just done your B service, your A service, whichever. So cancel full service. Now you're going to confirm with the page button. Service canceled. Now up again or back. Okay, no, that's it. Confirmation. Yes. Sorry, I screwed up by going full service, service confirmed. Off, key out, key back in, start the car. Now the service menu. Oops, sorry. Kilometer menu, now up and down. Service display not possible, and this will go back to normal once you start driving. So that's resetting A service, B service, oil service, whichever you want. Once you get to that menu, choose. You can choose all of them, you can choose single items. Anyway, this one's been serviced, so this is now resetting everything. Thank you for watching.